Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best AV to USB converter is probably one of the most versatile gadgets for anyone looking to digitize their old videotapes, camcorder footage, or even video game consoles, allowing you to preserve precious memories or share classic gameplay with a modern audience. This device acts as a bridge between your analog entertainment systems and your digital world, offering a straightforward solution to convert those cherished moments into a format that can be easily stored, edited, and shared on computers and the internet. Whether you're a nostalgic archivist, a content creator, or simply someone wanting to relive the past, understanding the capabilities and limitations of these converters is key to making the right choice for your needs. Number 5. UCEC VHS to Digital Converter Kit. Convert your old VHS tapes to digital format with ease. This upgraded device offers stable recording and clear analog signal processing, making it simple to transfer footage to your computer for long-term preservation. Get started in minutes with our true plug-and-play setup. No external power is needed, simply connect your VCR or Hi8 to the USB interface, and your computer will automatically detect it, supporting both Mac and Windows. This device provides stable digital output in various formats like MP4, AVI, and MPEG-2, and even supports MP3 audio extraction. Capture analog sources at high resolution for crisp digital preservation. Restore your old footage with enhanced analog video processing. It automatically adjusts brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation for balanced color and clarity, ensuring accurate signal capture. Everything you need is in the box: a USB capture card, RCA cable, software disks, and a user manual. It's fully compatible with major capture programs to help you archive your precious memories. What we like. This device offers a straightforward way to digitize your old tapes. Its plug-and-play nature means you can start converting without complex setup. If you're looking to preserve precious family memories from VHS or Hi8 tapes without a steep learning curve, this is an excellent choice for reliable, noise-reduced digital archiving. What people say. The product works well. It is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern. Number 4. Duttek USB to RCA Cable 5 feet. This cable is designed to connect devices like set-top boxes or DVD players to your television. It provides a simple way to link your audio and video sources. It features a USB connector on one end and RCA connectors on the other, supporting unidirectional transmission. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. The red plug is for the right audio channel, and the white one is for the left. This ensures you get clear stereo sound along with your video. You can view images and videos from compatible cameras on USB-enabled televisions or computers. It's perfect for enjoying your media on a larger screen. It works with a wide range of systems including Windows, Mac, and gaming consoles like PS5 and PS4. Please check the compatibility list for your specific device. Constructed with high-purity materials and premium sheathing, this cable is built to last. Enjoy reliable performance and excellent product quality. What we like. This cable is designed for simple audio and video output from USB devices to RCA displays. It's ideal for connecting set-top boxes or DVD players to TVs for viewing. If you need a basic, reliable cable for direct audio and video playback from a USB source to an RCA-compatible device, this is a good option for straightforward media viewing. What people say. The cables are well made and work good. Nice design. Worked perfectly to attach an old-school mixer to a new laptop in my home studio. Well constructed and sound quality was also good with the assistance of this cable. Item arrived before expected time, works well, I would buy it again. Number 3. USB 2.0 audio capture card for Windows and Mac. Transform your old vinyl records and cassette tapes into digital MP3 or WAV files. This device makes it simple to preserve your cherished audio memories. No complicated setup required. Just plug it into your computer's USB port, and you're ready to start recording. It doesn't need any extra power supply. It works seamlessly with both Windows and Mac operating systems. You can easily connect it to your PC or Mac for recording. Use the included professional software to capture and convert your audio. You can then enjoy your music on any MP3 player or stereo system. Don't let your favorite music fade away. Convert your classic vinyl and cassette tapes into high-quality digital formats for years of listening pleasure. Connect your audio sources using the 3.5mm or RL audio connectors. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of analog devices. What we like. This audio capture card is perfect for digitizing your old music collections. It allows you to easily convert vinyl records or cassette tapes into digital MP3 or WAV formats. If you're a music enthusiast wanting to preserve and enjoy classic audio formats on modern devices, this is the tool for you to bring your analog music library into the digital age. What people say. The rip from vinyl sounds like it is a CD recording, it was that clear and without any surface noise or hardware issues, etc. It truly is plug and play, even on the latest Mac OS, 10.15 Catalina, preference pane shows live signal meter, . It just worked out of the box. I didn't need any additional software or drivers. Number 2. BERANMEY USB to 3 RCA cable. Easily connect your devices with this versatile adapter cable. It bridges the gap between your USB ports and RCA inputs, making setup a breeze. Experience enhanced signal clarity thanks to its oxygen-free copper conductors. Enjoy your favorite content with superior audio and video quality. This cable is engineered for durability. With molded strain relief connectors and easy grip treads, it's designed for long-lasting use. At just 0.25 meters, this cable is perfect for close-range connections. Its compact size makes it ideal for your TV or PC setup. Connect a wide range of AV equipment to your computer or TV. It's the perfect solution for bridging different audio and video standards. Get more value with this 2-pack offering. Have a spare or use them from multiple devices, ensuring you're always connected. What we like. This adapter cable provides a simple connection for AV equipment to your computer or TV. Its compact design and durable build make it convenient for frequent use. If you need a short, reliable cable to connect devices with RCA outputs to a USB port for basic audio-video transfer, this is a practical and robust solution for your setup. What people say. Was able to use on the equipment we had and worked good. Works as needed. Item was as described and arrived on time. Number 1. Wiistar USB Audio-Video Capture Card. Easily transfer your cherished audio and video memories from devices like VCRs and camcorders into high-quality digital files on your PC. This capture card makes the process simple and effective. Experience seamless capture of both audio and video signals directly to your computer. Its 1-meter cable provides convenient connectivity for your RCA-equipped devices. Connect a variety of video sources including VHS, VCR, DVD players, and camcorders. It's designed to work with NTSC and PAL video formats for broad compatibility. With a male RCA port and USB 2.0 interface, getting started is straightforward. Simply connect your analog video recorder to your PC or laptop to begin the digital conversion. Enjoy broad compatibility with both Mac OS and Windows systems. It's driver-free, requiring only your preferred video acquisition software like OBS or VLC. Please note that it doesn't work immediately upon connection. You'll need to select the correct input source within your third-party capture software to start recording. What we like. This capture card offers a simple way to get analog video into your PC. It supports common video formats and is driver-free for easy setup with popular software. If you need to convert video from VCRs, camcorders, or other RCA devices to digital on your Windows or Mac computer, this is a user-friendly option for basic video archiving and transfer. What people say. The product works as expected. It is easy to use and set up. The quality of the converted audio is excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.